This is the Disney Hooyay Find and Play tablet. The Find and Play tablet is a multi-texture toy with a wood grain texture face and smooth buttons. Mickey and Minnie will teach you all about the alphabet, numbers, and more. The tablet also features a nice, soft, removable cover. On the bottom of the tablet, you'll see the power switch, which also adjusts the volume to soft or loud. Now, you can begin learning your ABCs with Mickey and Minnie. The tablet has some really fun learning features, like the Find the Letter game. Press the Mickey button and he'll ask you to find a letter.
Can you find W?
Find the letter and press the correct button to hear a positive response from Mickey.
Nice job!
The next fun learning feature is the Find the Image game with Minnie.
Can you find the lion?
Find the image Minnie asks for and press the button to hear Minnie's response.
Nice job!
There's also an ABC feature. Press this button to hear Mickey and Minnie sing the alphabet song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now I know my ABCs. Won't you come and sing with me?
Now try the Find the Sound feature. Press the question mark button to hear a sound effect. Then, try to find the button or image that matches the sound.
Ice cream.
There are over 90 interactive sounds to keep kids learning and having fun all day. And there you have the Disney Hooyay Find and Play tablet.